Hi guys, I'm Chad, the proud owner of a Purify Air franchise in the Wide Bay region. I've welcomed the change after working so many years for big mining companies where I felt like I was just a number. Why I chose Purify Air, you might ask? What stead Purify Air ahead of the rest was I felt welcome, I felt supported. The training was thorough, the franchise was affordable with low weekly franchise fees. I received a full marketing package, a full cleaning and fogging kit, which allowed me to be confident in a push-button start once my training was complete. I've been very happy with the ongoing support to date. Not only do you have phone support at any time of the day, but you also have marketing support and leads through the 1300 number. So if you're looking for a change, I'd seriously recommend Purify Air as your choice of franchise. I'm earning more money than I ever have before, and I have flexibility in my personal life. Most importantly, I now have something to be proud of.